Hello, Calu. Student Meteorologist Daulton Lochran here in the Calu Weather Center. If we look at temperatures across the nation, we'll see 11 degrees in Denver, a whopping 80 degrees down in Miami. We'll notice these 20s and 30s across the Mid-Atlantic states. Those will drop off in the beginning of next week. Tell you more about that later. If we look at the radar currently, we see lake effect snow starting to take place. We'll see that take place overnight tonight into tomorrow. And if we look for Oregon, Idaho, and Washington, we see another low pressure system that works its way east, and it will create localized feet of snow in the mountains. If we look for today, we see this Arctic wind blowing across the region. We'll see heavier squalls toward the western half of Michigan, basically where you see that lake effect snow take place more likely. See Buffalo, just south of Buffalo, they're expecting up to 12 inches of snow tonight. If we look for tomorrow, we see that lake effect snow continuing to take place. This will take place again as another low pressure system works in the area. We see this blustery cold wind. Temperatures will get cold quick, and we'll notice that come into play next week as well as we see more lake effect snow possible. This low pressure system I was telling you about, it's going to work its way east. Now the tricky part about this forecast is it's only going to be a thin line of storms. This could go north or south. If it goes south here in Pittsburgh, we can see 1 to 3 inches of snow possible, as well as some lake effect snow will kick in, and sometimes we've had those streamers work its way down to Pittsburgh as well. If we look for snowfall throughout the weekend, we could see 1 to 3 inches. Like I said, it all depends on where that line of storms heads. If it goes north, we might not see anything. We might see less than an inch of snow altogether by the end of the weekend. Keep tuned. Stay tuned to your localized government forecast to be sure exactly what's going on with that system. If we look for the next 7 days, mostly cloudy tomorrow with a snow shower possible. See this weekend, rain will taper off with some snow. When the temperatures start to drop off, we'll see that snow. Rain to start off the week next week. We see that cold temperature of 12 degrees Wednesday night. Thursday morning will be even colder. We could see temperatures in the single digits. Now back to Danny and Ryan at the desk.